Okay, so this is the short video. Let me actually, just real fast, just to show the guys what is working, what is not. So, yeah, whatever. Went through, except I'm gonna take the video from right here. Okay, there we go. Now it's all zoomed in. Now, I'm going to go to AM. I'm going to hit the steering wheel button for the note one time. One time. Jumped over two things to satellite. You do it one more time, it jumps over into the next two things. It basically is what it does the whole time, every time you hit the button. And now it won't even go into, yeah, exactly. It just basically jumps to every single time you try to do something. Anyway, the next thing is the guy wanted me to show. Let update for a moment. Let's go. He wanted me to show. Where is it? Auto OVR, he wanted me to show that is on, so that I have no clue why, probably for something in the programming. There's a lockpick, there's a lockpick air. You go to view video, air mode 1. Well, yeah, anyway. That's exactly what you hit the menu button or anything in any of them. You hit this menu button, you watch that little view video on the bottom. I'm just going to hit it once. You see view video disappear. View video, you hit that view video. That's something like what would happen, and then we'll just black out the screen and go back. That's hitting the menu button, so you can't really change anything. These are all the issues I've been having with this thing so far. I'm sure there are more, but this is just them in a little quick video. Doing it 50 seconds. You can watch the other video and see a whole lot more of what's wrong with this and how I installed it. Thank you. Bye bye.